Welcome back. I have taken the top section out of the clips and allowed the hair to fall how it naturally would. Part the hair down the center and let the hair fall to either side. It should look like this. You will be blending the top with the sides and the back. Like you did with the sides and the back, take small sections and find your guide. Then cut that in half and continue moving throughout the haircut. Make sure to pull the hair straight off of the head when you're cutting. Continue moving towards the front of the head. You will repeat that on the other side of the head. Great job! In the next video, you will be blending the bangs with the rest of the haircut. I will see you there.